Hello, have you come across such beautiful landing page before? What if I told you that you can create this using just Canva for free? And this is it. So I've created the short tutorial where I'll be showing you and walking you through the process of how you can create this and any kind of landing page using Canva. This landing page comes with a lot of features, so you could click on buy now and you could see that the button works very well. It takes you to a shop category page where you could actually choose any kind of headphone. So this particular landing page is just majorly to sell this beautiful Zipflight A56 headset. Alright, so it's a one-page website. It comes with news, new products, so it comes with product, it comes with support, contact, and a lot more. And you can do all of these both with your mobile phone or your laptop totally for free, just using Canva. So it comes with buy without lifting a finger. So what are you waiting for? So if you're seeing this intro video on TikTok, do well to follow me and head over to my YouTube at Zipflight Studios to watch the complete video. Alright, so it's a very short video where I walk you through the process of creating this, from creating a Canva account for free wherever you are in the world to actually setting up this kind of landing page. And because Canva is open to a lot of features, from graphics to videos to templates to themes to slide and a lot more, you could do so much with Canva. You could actually create your logo on Canva, get different kinds of picture and all. And if you're up for it, you can actually sign up for Canva Pro, which in Nigerian naira is around 3,000 naira or 2,800. You only pay 23,000 naira for Pro. But who am I? I'm not actually getting anything from Canva. But anyways, I just want to share this with you, so do well to share this video to people who may need it. And you may just be looking for how to create your own landing page for your product, your business, or whatever you are doing. And trust me, this is for you. So it's free to do and it is easy. You don't need any technical skill. It is totally easy. So head over and let's get started. I will see you there. Don't forget to follow and to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also follow me on TikTok. Please follow me. Alright, don't forget to save if you're really busy and you know you will probably not see this video again on TikTok. So do well to save and come back to it. Head over to my YouTube and let's go. And if you're watching this on YouTube, do well to subscribe. Click the bell icon and the notification. Leave a comment and tell me what you think. I'll be expecting. Thank you. Alright guys, so in order for us to achieve that awesome looking free landing page, the first thing we need is to open a Canva account. So I just want you to type Canva, and just on your first search we'll just go to Canva and we'll click on sign up. Alright, so to sign up on Canva is totally free, so I would suggest you just go with a Gmail, and you could use your mobile phone to also achieve this. Alright, okay, so what kind of account are we opening? Okay, so I'm just going to use an opening a personal account. And Canva offers you a 30 days free trial, okay, but you need to put your card details. And trust me, I will always suggest for anybody to get Canva Pro because it solves a lot of your problem, provides you with graphics, provides you with access to creating website for free, provides you with videos, a lot of features, and they charge 2,000 to almost 3,000 naira in Nigerian naira per month. Okay, so if you decide to go for a year, you'll be paying for at least 23,000 naira in a year. That's affordable for me, but that's not what we're going to be doing. So we'll just click on later. We're going to be creating this using free Canva. All right, so what I want you to do is I just want you to come here and type website. All right, so type website. It should be on templates. All right, so if in case you're having old Canva, okay, or probably you already have an account, so you want to keep it on templates. Okay, all right, so you can actually filter, okay, but we're not going to be doing that. You could choose your category. Okay, what kind of website do you want to create? So we're going to be creating this. So you choose what you want. Anyways, you could decide to filter and all, but I just decided to go and search for the type of template you want to go with. So there are a lot of templates, and in order to see it, you could just click on it here. And what we'll be creating is a one-page website, which is also known as a landing page. Alright, and the features and the changes and everything you do on this website is totally up to you. Alright, So you have this product website here. So you see how beautiful this is looking. Okay, and so this is what we're going to be going with. All right, we're going to be using this. All right, so click on customize template. All right, you can see, so it goes, what we do, click on skip tour, so you could see how this product website or product landing page is looking like. So what we're going to be focusing is we're going to be creating a awesome looking landing page for this headset. Okay, so one of the things you could actually do is you can change all of the text. Okay, it's just like your basic editing with Canva. All right, so I'm just going to change this and say I'm called this Alright, so you could do a lot of other things with this. We could decide to edit and move it this way and all, so depending on what you want. Then if you want to go back, you can just undo. Okay, so the Z-Flight A556 headset. Now you could also add animation to each of this stuff. All right, now where we have your buy now, we have your shop all. You could actually add a link. Now we could add a link that will take people to our WhatsApp. All right, so once they click on buy now, it's taken them to our WhatsApp so they can actually chat us up. And in order to do that, include a link here. Okay, in order to achieve this, just make sure to highlight this and you just right click and you say link. So here what you want to do is, where do you want to link it to? Okay, basically you can link it to your products here. All right, so you click on done. So once they click here, it will take them to where you have your products, and on your shop all you go right click and click on, sorry, let's scroll a bit, click on link. And you could link it to any page here, or probably a contact us page and all of that. So I have noticed that there are no features to link outside of Canva. All right, outside of the website here. All right, so you could just link within the page, but that's not a problem. You can actually change your logo. If you want to decide to change our logo, click on upload image or video. So we have our logo here, and I'm just going to use this. Yeah, I think I need a black logo also. So you can also use Canva to design the logo you want. Okay, you want to use. I'm just going to replace this. And replace it here with my logo. Then I will just make it smaller. All right, so we have our logo here. Basically, if they click on buy now, take them to this place, your shop here. Then you could also link this to a page. Alright, you can link it to any page you want within this landing page. Okay, so click on it here. Now we could change text like I showed you. Just click on it to change the text. You could also change the images. Now if you want to get images from Canva, you could as well do that. So click on this plus here and you can click on photos. Here we could just search for headphones. Now most of the headphones here are premium, but we also have free. So this is a free headphone, which is still the same product we are using at the top here. We could also put it here because our emphasis is just creating a landing page for this, but we could also just switch it up with a different color. All right, and we could change these images here. So when you make such mistake like this, you could actually go back. All right, you could put it there, and you can also change the names and all of that. You can replace this with this, then I like this with this. So you can see everything here is customizable. And let's replace this with the black. So you can see our site is actually coming to life. Now if you decide that okay, you want to add more features and make your site more fancy, you just click on add page. All right, and when you add page, you can decide to go with whole core, and you could go with the design and choose a different design here. Or if you have an idea, okay, you could just click on, let's say, headphones. So we you could use these designs and introduce it here. You can change all of this. Okay, you could leave it like this. You could buy without lifting a finger. You could remove this, delete it, and put anything you want. You could add a button. All of these are customizable and changeable. Now you could preview the site. So you can see how sleek and beautiful it's looking. See? Now, like I said, if I decide to click on buy now, it takes me to our shop page. If I decide to click on shop all, take me to the contact us where they can reach us. This is just creating a simple, beautiful landing page for your product. It could be your e-commerce course, whatever you're selling. All right, it just creates that landing page. You could also see the mobile view, and you can see how beautiful it's also looking. All right, but you will notice something. It doesn't come with it doesn't come with a navigation menu. So in order to achieve that, you just come back here and click on include navigation. And here we have it. We have your home, about us, product, support, contact, and you could see it here. So you can see all of this. Now what we just need to do is click on close. All right, now if we want to change, okay, so let's go to preview again. You can have a full view here, and you see that we have about, but none of this, we don't have an about us page. Now you can either include your about us page, or you could actually change. Okay, so for instance, we'll change the about us to shop. All right, wait, let me check this one more time. We have the shop page. Okay, we're done. So we're going to change the about us to shop page. Oh, but we also have a product page here. So what page does it use for about? Okay, so we'll probably change it to this in new. Just change it to new. All right, so I'll just show you how to do that. So go back to this place here, we'll click on notes. All right, so where you have notes, just call this new. All right, so sorry, that was my bad. Now you will see that this page is titled about us here. All right, so just change it to new. All right, so once you're done with that, so you could see the page has actually been changed. So you just close this. Now if you go to our preview page, Now you notice the about has been turned to a new. All right, so you could do a lot more. So this is just a crash video just to show you how you can design any kind of website or any kind of landing page using Canva, and the use is limitless. It's limitless. You could do a whole lot just using Canva to do this. You could do so much more. So all right, so now how can we make this site go live? Okay, so I'm going to show you how you can publish this. Okay, so what you want to do is just come up and click on publish. Yeah, so here you have to put your domain. Okay, but if you have a custom domain, you can actually link it, but because it's a free site, so I'm going to show you how to do that. So what we're going to call this is, let's call it Zif Light. All right, so we have your publish settings. If you have any description you want to include, you can actually include that. If not, we just click on publish site, and it's preparing your website or landing page. I don't know why I keep calling it website. It's called a landing page. It's simple. So you could copy this here, and to show you it works, I will just go to an incognito tab, and I'm going to paste that link here and click on enter. And you can notice our site is up and running. I see you don't even need to spend money to be able to achieve this. This is looking beautiful. This is looking awesome. So do well to subscribe. Do well to leave a comment if you have anything you want to share or you want to say, or any video you want me to create. So do well to leave a comment, do well to subscribe, do well to support the channel. If you've seen this on YouTube, do well to subscribe, click the bell icon, follow me, leave a comment and share. Somebody may need this video. Thank you.